Hi, I have a Toro Timemaster model number 20199. My self-propel won't work. When I lift the rear end up, the wheels turn. I had it taken to a shop and they changed the rear gears on the axle. They said the drive belt is good, the cables are good, but the self-propel doesn't work. I don't know what is going on. It is not an old unit.
Does it push with no issues? If they have checked gears, belt, cable, I would check the metal gears on the wheels. If it will turn fine not under pressure, but when on the ground it doesn't move, I would suspect transmission gears are not connecting properly. Toro ////P transmission MSV2 GT. How are your mounting brackets for the wheels and also the retainer bearings? If the wheel is cocked sideways this will affect the drive system. http://www.partstree.com/parts/toro/mowers walk behind lawnmower /20199 Toro 30 Timemaster lawnmower SN3120178733 312999999 2012/transmission rear wheel and height of cut assembly /
The wheel gears look perfect. I don't see any issues with them whatsoever. The mounting brackets look fine as well.
When you lift mower when engaged, try to hold each wheel individually and see if they stop.
Okay, I just did. Both wheels completely stopped when grabbed.
If you have had a professional check everything else, assuming they did everything correctly and are correct, I will say you need a transmission. Toro ###DAG or #///P about a $70 transmission. Not too hard to install.
Do I just enter the part number in online?
Yes. Partstree.com is an excellent source of parts. Usually fast shipping and excellent customer service. What is the serial number of your mower? This may change the part number. I'll look everything up for you and send you a link. http://www.partstree.com/parts/toro/mowers walk behind lawnmower /20199 Toro 30 Timemaster lawnmower SN3120178733 312999999 2012/http://www.partstree.com/parts/toro/mowers walk behind lawnmower /20199 Toro 30 Timemaster lawnmower SN31400001 314200000 2014/http://www.partstree.com/parts/toro/mowers walk behind lawnmower /20199 Toro 30 Timemaster lawnmower SN31420001 314999999 2014/match your model with one of the above serial numbers. Go to transmission section, and you will see the transmission parts number. Their people are excellent to order from. I use them on a weekly basis.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.